Dok, pagkahuman na, yung salamat Ginoo kay wagi ko gibutan na yung wagi ko I was so positive when I brought him to the hospital. Wagi ko kahuna-huna mahirada. Kaya kung gaguna-huna pa kung mahirada, I don't know. Kung sa tingali ang ako ang mahuna-huna ko. Because, pagkarga na mo sa ambulance, siya pagkaging isa, siya pa yung isa ka sa ambulance. Pagkanaog na po dito, siya pinilakaw, mga linis siguro o katong kutsing na puti, kahit ka naman, ER, siya pa yung nilipo, pero kanang paglikod niya sa bed, pinagulta ka. Okay lang magod tayo, ang ako na una is, malinaw ang mga katiil, ang amon, mga katiil, maka-istorya pa na time, so I was so positive. But when the doctor said, mga 8 o'clock, pagkagaling, nakita ko ang discharge sa 11:46 sa morning. Pagka 4 o'clock, he was pronounced na ang GCS. Ang GCS is only 3, hindi na may opera. Yan ako nagsugod ito pas, pinagkaluos na ito. And 3 hours after, ng 7 o'clock, 4 or 8 o'clock in, sa gabi, he was already pronounced as brain dead. So, say, namutan na ta, Ginoo murag na. Murag lisod na yun. But then, we always see the positive side. Okay? So, yung mga kasunan, that us always fuel ourselves with the hope because we see that these things na napahita po mag-iksunan is dili permanente ani kalibutan na because God is preparing something that is really very good for each one of us kung mabalayan natin. Now as a church, this church stands today because members believe that every Sabbath school, youth program, and outlet's effort was not in vain. Nakainutan ba mag-iksunan? Nag-aawang ba ang mga pagpanikamot sa atong mga church fathers sa una? We benefited from it, mga iksunan. Hope fuels mission, evangelism, and education. That's why Paul said, 2 Corinthians 4 verses 8 and 9, though he was hard-pressed by every side. Saan niya itong binisaya? Na hard-pressed by every side. Saan na pagbilisan? Bisan pa o siya hard-pressed by every side. Come on. Naipit. Di ba? Kaya every side man hard-pressed. Di naipit. Bisan pa sa naipit sa dagat ng mga sitwasyon. Bisan pa usahay o naay mga kalibog. Because sometimes there are questions that we cannot answer by ourselves. But not in despair. Wa ara gyud siya nanuya mag-igsunan. Even sometimes persecuted, but he always remembered that he is not forsaken. Now his hope came from knowing that his sufferings were just temporary. Moral yun na mga igsunan ang umalakotay na to. Muamok na lagi ang sulbad ani, dili man di always magpabiling imun ani, di ba? Compared to the eternal glory that awaited him. So this is hope. Because we are looking forward that God is preparing something for all of us.